Hello everyone. This is the third video of my playlist restaurant website, and in this video I am going to create the card. These beautiful cards which shows the menu of the restaurant, trending items we can refer to, and this section we are going to create. We have already uploaded two videos you can check out. So we are coming on the VS Code to create this thing. So first we have to create the heading which is H2. Okay. So here we are only going to write the trending, only trending. Okay. And because we have this menu as a class, so we targeted it, and because we don't need nothing in, we need display flag, display flag, justify contents center, and align item center. This makes all things in center, and which is more easier to create the same UI. Okay. So how gonna we create this? So it is trending item. So we are copying the whole font here. In fact, this is the whole section, and we are going to copy here. Nothing worry about it. What is CSS? I can explain everything. We use the name convention, always menu, and after this we are going to see H2, which is tag, and paste it here all the CSS. Display inline H2 text line center, color it, color. There was a problem. Color we are going to black. Okay, we just copied it. We just comment down and enter the color as black. And how to add the item? So for this we are going to create the dot menu h2, and with h2 we add the before tag. Sorry, after class pseudo class. So here first of all we mention the content. What is our content is? Our content is item. Sorry, item with space. Okay. So here we can see the whole, this is okay. So everything is gonna same. So we are only add to color, which here I can copy, which here I copied it. So just paste it, and we found the whole section. Here it is. Okay, with the same looking, and with the border also. So border you can not see right now because it is hide, but when we add the card and when we add more below down, so we can easily check out the border also. So explain what it is. Display inline text line center. Text line center, we don't need here text line center. So control Z, control Y to undo it, and you don't need this. So we here now nothing will change. Okay. Color is black. Font family Poppins. Font style normal. Font weight. Font. What is font weight? Font. First, we understand the font style. Font style is normal, bold, normal, italic. We can also check what is the option in the font style. Italic, normal, oblique. These three values are important: italic, normal, and oblique. Okay, so we are going to use normal. We don't need, because it is also a default value. Okay, so we don't need this also. Font width is 400, which is normal, which is also a default value. And we don't need line height. Line height provides the space between border, and if we remove it, so we can easily check out what's going on. So here nothing will affect, so we don't need it also. Okay, so everything is set here, and now we are moving to the card section. So here we are creating the div dot card wrapper. Okay, card wrapper. Sorry, and in this we have the three cards here. Okay, div dot card multiply by 3. We need three cards. We have to first understand what is the layout of the card. So it is the so I'm going to tell you how to identify, how to crack the UI code. Okay, so first is this image and another is this container. There is a two container. First the image and another is a all the details and also a button. So we are creating this. Okay, so we have the image. We have the image and another is div. Okay, so this is the whole UI we are going to use and paste it in every div. Control V so we can create, and I have to identify the images here. So we need Andhra chicken curry. Okay, so it is the first image, and this is the second, and where is land? There is the third image. Okay, so we are going to these three images as card image. So uh, the first card is here. So we are in the Andhra chicken curry, which is in the media section. In media में Andhra chicken curry, and second image is in this media section, and media have the chicken chettinad, because I am creating the website for the South Indian restaurant, so I am using the South Indian dish. There is a third lentil, and another box is text. Okay, so height. So we are going to target it which is inside the menu container, and menu container have the card wrapper dot card wrapper. So we are going to give the display flex, because inside the flex box everything aligned in a row by default. This is the main and important property of the flex box. So when you want to align the things in a row in particular div or container, you can just change the display block to flag. Okay, and this is the default value. So the height width we are giving here, height is around 400 pixel, and width is width is around 300 pixel. Okay, so there was some kind of error, and height and width we are going, sorry, these are the height and width for the card, and we are use it in a wrong box. Dot card wrapper and display flag, align item center, and justify content is also center. Card wrapper, and inside the card wrapper we have the card. Okay, so we have the height around 400 pixels and we can adjust it. Width is 300 pixels. Okay, it is the whole scenario and nothing good right now. So we are just going to copy here because we also this is the thing. So height and width is here. So you can choose whatever you want. So don't worry. Yeah, because I'm already create this site with the CSS and CSS. These things take time to understand to justify what is the width of the card. Another thing. Okay, so don't worry. And also we have here card image, so we also take it from Control C. And inside the card we have the card and image, which is no class. So directly we are just so everything is going fit here, which is not correct. So why this is not looking right now? Because we here it is the problem. So here as I say earlier, display flag has the default property with and with align every item in a row. So in menu section we have two items. First is pending and another is card wrapper. And in card wrapper we have the three items card. There is a three card. Okay. So here it is everything clear. Display flag, justify content, align item center, and we are going to use the flag direction. Flag direction column, and this makes looks good. Okay, so here it is everything. Everything is fine now, and images is set. And now we are going to create it. And height width card have the property border radius which is using we are using 10 px as the YouTube. So these are the cards and we are use the BG as byte. So don't worry, we don't need it because it is the default property box shadow. So it is looking good. You can say Control V 0 pixels, X offset, Y offset is 0 pixel, blur is 10 pixels, and spread is 2 pixels, and color is black with opacity 25%. Okay, so here it is, everything is set, and this is not look good because we making another thing. So inside the card, we also have the and justify content has the three main there is many values here. Okay, baseline center and first baseline flex and flex start, last baseline left right safe space around space between and space evenly. We are going to use space with 100%. Now okay, so now this looks good. Okay, so other when we have to center it, we are going to use the display flag align item center, and justify content also. So this is the whole. Now it's look good. When we use the context container, everything is good. But we are here where the text container, which is inside the card, and inside the card we have the text. Okay, so text have the some kind of information. So there is a Andhra chicken curry, and there this is the image and price 270, price tag and a button. Okay. So we have the span tag for title of the card, well, okay, and another is image, which is the and another is for price. So we are going to div, okay, div dot price, and inside the div dot price is div. I think we are going to use this sort of float. Okay, so we are going to use the price, okay, and price is 270 rupees 270. Okay, so price is rupees 2 and tax not included. We are going to with and when tax have one more which is button and add to your list. Add to your list. Add in your list. Add in your list. Okay. So we do everything and said we are going to this is another big blunder in here. So when we set the display flag, everything in the card container means image and the text. This image and this is the text. These are going to effectively grow level. But we need to set into a column, so we have to use the flex property flex direction. So set it column and everything is now under control. Okay. So this whole text inside the text content we are copying every card. Okay. Okay. So now I am corrected everything and going to create a card. So where we are, I think there was some mistake happening here. So image SRC again. Okay. So image we are going to target it this image. It is image is there. Fine. So we are the ID with sign. Okay. Sign is basically mean the best sign or non-best sign. So ID is sign. So directly we are going to target it. Sign. Sign. Sorry. ID 0. Okay. ID is equal to sign and sign equal sign. So here it is. Sign is the ID, and we are going to target the whole section. So first, I have to sort. So what is the sign? So first is dot Here it is. Everything is gonna set here. So what is the image? What is the time? ID. Uh, what about the ID? How to use CSS selector as ID? We use the hash sign and with named in and sign. And height is 10 px and aspect ratio is 1 on 1. Okay, so aspect ratio here it is 10 pixel is is so small, so we are going to use 30 pixel. Uh, now it is so we are going to give the title the cards. And the chicken curry, chicken chettinad and lentils. So now we are making this card exactly looking like this. We are going to use it. So first we have the card image. Card image is all going to set, and I think now it look good. So and the chicken curry. We have the text. So now in the card we have the two box. One is for image and another is for text or detail. So we named as text, and in this text we are going to put padding first. Padding is around 10 px. Okay, and padding is 10 px, and position we are going to little bit. Nothing will happen because we have to position it. So we use position relative and position. I think we don't need to use it here. So here it is for card text. We are now styling the title card. Inside the card we have the title. Okay, title. Font family. Font family is open. Okay, and everything other, yeah, it's reflect here. We are copying from float bonfire. There is not much a big issue. Control control D. We remove it from here. Display flag direction is column. Why we give it here? It is a big deal. Now I'm just comment it out. So understand why we use the display flags and flag direct column. So we are creating this best selling disk which is looking here, okay, which is a tag best selling disk. So we are using the pseudo class dot card dot title, and in this title we are going to, and with before we have to provide the content first. Content is best, sorry, best selling disk. Okay, so this is the here, but you can see how it is look like, which is not right. Okay, so we are style it. So we just copied from here. So there is not big thing because it only have the title. So this is the before. Okay. So we are just copying it here font family and paste it control B. We don't need here font family because we use in a parent. We don't need. So as you can see, this is here, but we need above the Andhra chicken. Okay, we need above the chicken chettinad, we need above the lentil. So how to make it? So for this I use these things. Control, and with this I can position up above the, and how I use it. So let's check it out. So when we use the to class, another another element created before the title. Okay, so when we have the element and when we have objects in the elements and when we have to in the row, so we use the display flag, but we need column. That's why we use the display flag. The flag direction is column. Okay, so in this manner I can display enough flag sorry, in same way. Okay, but we need here so text align center, we have to remove it, and when we remove it we found the exactly what we need. We have to now that it's time to style the button. So just copy it because if I am not copied from here, so it create the enough long video to ignore. So I have just copied, but I'm telling you what's going on. In the text we have the button. So just copy it. Width and height. Background is this color. Border radius around 5 pixels. Font family is Poppins. Font style is normal. As we said earlier, font style has only three properties: public, italic, and normal. Font weight is used to provide the bold, bolder, and stronger as font. Font size is 15 pixel. Line height is 22 pixel. Color is white, and border is 1 px solid transparent. Okay, and cursor is pointer, and our button is here. Okay, so this is the, and we are using this text button, so we are use the margin auto to center it. Okay, it's center. And card dot text, card dot title, card dot, we have the height, height around, we don't need height here because fixed content is already dot the padding 10 px, so padding we are going to make the 20 px 10 px. Okay, so सबसे पहले, so first we have to, which is around 20 pixels, and after that we have the right, so we are going to use the 30 pixels and 30 pixels, and after that we have the bottom which is 15 pixels, and after that we have the left corner. So this is the around 30 pixels because we have to make the equal from both left. So here it is. So it's not look good. We have to provide the height. So in the text we are going to use the height 10 pixel. Height is around 50%. So, 50% is around 40%. Okay, 40% is good. So now the time to see and again and check why it is. So we have to use the position relative to use the to position it position relative and from left it is around 40% and okay, I think it looks good in this also. So we are going to take it 10%, 0% left medium. So we have to make it right, not left. Now it's okay. So everything is fine, and we have to use the padding around px or 10 px would be teacher. 40 px. Okay. Now it looks good. 40%, no, right, 41%, and we are going to anytime. Now we have to use this price tag. So before the text we have the price and we are going to target it because inside the card, inside the text, and it is the price. So just to understand what we are going to use, just we give the background red, okay, and width is 100%. Width is 100%, 100%, and the margin margin from left. Or this is the old box, and we have to 100%. Okay, margin left, and text align, and that. Now it's look exactly what we want. So just remove the red color. Now styling this price to 70. So we just copied it here and just get everything control. So this is the price control. We are having with 100% text align right. Font family we are going to use the Poppins. The whole website use it. We have make it universal. So we don't need use in every column, in every class, in every section. So we When we create next web project, so we use it font size 21 pixels, display flex, like direction column, and color is these two things is again we are going to use because we have to create another pseudo class which is a dot text and dot price, and this time we are not using it after before pseudo class, we are going to use it after pseudo class. And in this pseudo class we have the content text not included, text not included, which is very large and we don't need it. So we are just copy here price, and after that is everything I copy, uh, paste it. And now we have the exact card like here. So don't worry.